Good morning, guys. I'm headed out to the patio this morning. Started pulling all the stuff for the patio makeover. This, by the way, is going to be on my main channel, hopefully for Saturday's video if everything works out. But I think this is the first time the vlog has seen the furniture because I already did a haul of everything on my main channel. Today I'm supposed to get the second rocker, so if you watch that video, today's the day to get that. So I'm gonna call Kirkland's, make sure they have it. And I did sell these pieces, so the blue. Well, hopefully I sold them. The people who want it are picking it up today, but I still technically haven't gotten payment, so we'll see if that falls through or not. But I'm gonna pull it out, obviously, as if they're still picking it up today. So I'm gonna get these blue things pulled into the house. I'm gonna keep it stored by the entryway, and then when it's time, I'm gonna put it out. So anyways, so that's what's gonna happen today, and then I need to do a good sweep. Actually, this whole space needs a power wash. I don't know, I don't think I told you guys, I think I asked this on Instagram, but there have been these little bugs that just flood the patio. But I'm noticing that it must be like a nighttime or an evening thing because they're not out right now. I mean, they're just everywhere, absolutely everywhere. They kind of like, I wouldn't say they fly, but they jump. They're not fleas, and they're not, I don't think they're springtails. Like, honestly, I don't really know what the heck they are. But the weather, I haven't seen a blue sky in forever. I mean, the sun is literally shining right in my face, and it feels amazing because I don't know if you guys know or if you live in Texas, but we've had rain pretty much for a whole month. And so it's nice to get some sun today and soak up some vitamin D, but I'm already sweating just being out here for 2 seconds. Here is Loxie, and just to give you guys a quick update, I really don't know how to update this properly. I feel like I'm kind of at a loss for words. I mean, obviously I know Loxie isn't on the road to recovery. She's on the road to even more decline. So, and that's, I guess, where we're at, you know. She's just not gonna get better. And so now the question is, you know, how much time do we kind of have left? And so, like, here and there, I just kind of notice her breathing, and it reminds me of that night when, you know, I was out of town, where my daughter was, and we took her for a walk yesterday, and she was just like galloping. I mean, sometimes she has like these spurts where she just seems like her normal self, but they're just, you know, obviously not happening like they should, and she's still not shedding anymore, and her stool isn't the right color, and you know, it is. So yeah, anyways, she did eat some of her breakfast, and I'm just kind of noticing though that she's really not liking the rice. She's not really liking anything but chicken. So last night, my daughter and I had another slumber party with Loxie. We're trying to do that, obviously, as much as we can. I mentioned that Loxie just doesn't want to come sleep, like on the side, you know, I put her bed next to the side of my bed, and she won't come to that bed. So she's definitely preferring other spaces, unless I do let her on my bed, which I did the night that we had like a bad thunderstorm and Loxie wanted to get on the bed with me. So, but in terms of like sleeping next to the bed, like she's done for 9 years, she stopped doing that really. Sometimes like I'll wake up and she'll be there, but 9 out of 10 times she just does not do that anymore. Sometimes she goes upstairs and sleeps with my daughter. So anyways, but the majority of the time she'll sleep out in the living room by herself, and it just, I don't know, it just makes me sad, you know? And so we've been trying to do sleepovers with her more often. So we did that last night, but we did it upstairs in the media room. And I definitely woke up to that short, shallow braiding that she was doing. For today, I really don't know that there's gonna be much. I'm honestly not really feeling in the mood to vlog. I just kind of woke up like, you know, just, I don't know, I just feel really not awake yet for some reason, even though I don't feel tired. She wants some eggs, so we're gonna make some. My daughter and I just got the patio furniture outside for the people to come pick it up. Hopefully they come pick it up. But this is the situation right now. How sad is this? I feel like, why is this making me sad? I hold on emotionally to things. Okay, we gotta talk about this for a second. Uh-huh. Oh yeah? And then she did what? Oh, she gave you the silent treatment? Uh-huh. So like, is that the rest of the story, or where are we at? Okay, so you're done then. We're just gonna chill here together, or? Okay. Honestly, I feel like I shouldn't be out here because she's definitely giving me side eye, and I can't tell if she just like wants to hang out or if she wants to fly into my face. But I guess while I have the camera pointed at a bird, this has been one of my struggles with this patio, is that because I have the lights strung up like this, they like to fly into here, and that means they're gonna poop everywhere. So, okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, all right, she's heading towards the corner. Okay, great. So I just can't be having that. So I really do think that I'm gonna have to take down these lights, and maybe what I can do is just kind of like string them from like the fence to here. But I'm also not a fan of like having wires across, but anyways. So they definitely have to be taken down from here. That's gonna be one of the things that I'm gonna do. Oh, bird's gone. One of the things I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna have to give this a good sweep. I need to wash the windows. That's also gonna happen in the video. Yeah, it's gonna be like a whole deep clean. I mean, as best as I can, because I don't have a power washer, because that's ideally like what I would want, you know, to kind of clean the space. And then obviously I would love to have a different space for my grill, but there's not any more concrete, and I don't want to put this on top of the grass. So anyways, here it is without the blue furniture. And I don't know if I mentioned this earlier or what. I feel like I did, unless I cut the clip out. But I just feel like blah today. I don't know what it is. I went for a run, which I did like a little mini vlog, I guess you could say, on my Instagram. So I vlogged on my Instagram stories where I kind of like got ready for my jog and all of that. So I did that first, and then I took a shower, did my makeup, filmed a video, just released it, got the patio furniture out. I don't even remember the rest of my day. I just feel like I don't know what's going on. I have my retainer in, so I'm sorry if I'm talking a little bit off, but last night wasn't a very good night. I don't really want to dive into it, but yeah, just Loxie isn't doing too great. I slept out here with her. My daughter slept out here. Actually, we slept in my room, Loxie and I. I brought that blanket, laid it on top of the bed, and then she slept there. And then about 2 o'clock in the morning, she woke me up with just like her breathing. I mean, she seems okay now. It's just, I don't know. So then came out here. She drank some water, so that was really good. And then I think she ended up sleeping. So I don't know if it's just the prednisone like doing that to her, because I know I mentioned that like one of her side effects was that she just doesn't really sleep at night. Or not that she doesn't sleep at night, because she does, but there will be times where I'll wake up and she'll just be like wide awake. But anyways, so I'm a little tired because it just wasn't a great night. I'm in the process of making Loxie's dinner. This couch needs to be fluffed, so I'm going to do that today. I'm going to put up my books today. And I also have the glass repair guy coming to install the new window for the craft room. So I'll be showing you guys the before and after of that. It's my day off, so I think I am sticking it at home, especially because I'm just going to be monitoring Loxie really closely today. So I'm probably just going to relax because I think I need it. Like I'm just so tired of my emotions from last night. I'm just crying. I'm also going to mow the lawn today, and what I would also like to do is look for some 5x7 already printed pictures. I have a ton, I just don't know where they went, so I need to like dig and figure out where they are and see, you know, what can kind of fit in here, because they obviously have to go horizontal. And then I'll see how many pictures I can find, and then see how many are left that I need to go through my Shutterfly account and order, so that I can get these two loaded here. Come on. I just finished doing the dishes. I just have this oil that I collected from a pan so that it wouldn't go down the drain. So I'm just gonna let this sit there until it kind of gets hard. And then I'm gonna wrap it up and throw it away. There's still room for more dishes, but right now I'm making myself some breakfast. It is noon and I'm just now eating. So I'm gonna make myself some eggs sunny side up today. I'm gonna toast 2 slices of bread. I'm just gonna put butter on them. My seasonings are gonna be Mrs. Dash, salt-free, and then salt. I actually wanna change my salt. I don't wanna buy the white one anymore, basically. I wanna stick to just pink Himalayan. And I'm gonna have some kiwi. This does a really good job of like stabilizing like your blood sugar levels and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have a kiwi today. Plus, I have a haul. So I got these from Amazon. I'll link them down below. And they're just these little candy corn bits. They were kind of pricey. For these 3, I paid $20 or like $19.95. Maybe they'll be cheaper by the time you click the link. I don't know, because prices on Amazon do vary. I'm one of those people where if I look at a picture, I just make a really bad assumption on what size I think it is based off of the picture instead of reading the description and the measurements and dimensions and stuff. So when they came in, I was definitely shocked. I kind of expected it to be triple this size, not tiny. But anyways, here they are. I'm not going to return them because I do like them. I just think $20, but anyways, I'll link them just in case you're wondering. Okay. Keys are in my... So I've already been really busy this morning. While the eggs cook, I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. I think I got a really creepy clip of just like the guy on the outside installing the window. But yeah, he's been here, left, and the window looks great. So I'm gonna show you guys. I also mowed the lawn. So here's the window. You can see that it's brand new. I think that's the only part that's new. I should probably know this, but I don't. But I know this wasn't messed with. So either these two, I really don't think so. I think this one's still mine, yeah, because it has my sensor. So it was just this piece that we replaced. How beautiful is the sky today? I also got filters. You can see one's right there. So that one's for the upstairs. I need to install that. I've already installed the downstairs air filter, which is an attic through my daughter's room. It's bizarre, but there it is. Speaking of my daughter, she just left to go get the second rocker from Kirkland's. So it did arrive yesterday and she's gonna go pick it up. And that means I get to film my video tomorrow. Well, it's supposed to be rainy and all that, so we'll see. But I'm starving, so I'm gonna get these eggs finished and I'm gonna eat. All right, my daughter just got back. There is the second rocker. Now this one in particular, because it was a special order, it looks like I have to install the rockers at the feet. The other ones were already installed because it was in the store, you know, as a display. So I'm gonna get that done. It's not gonna be in today's video. It's just gonna be for the decorating, which will happen tomorrow. So this is gonna be Friday's video for you guys, and it's also Friday for me. It's the same day that I'm filming and posting. And so if you watch this live, then you only have to wait like the one day. Again, that's if everything kind of works out. So that's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.